You are looking at a live look right now at the streets of Sturgis, South Dakota, where hundreds of thousands of bikers are spending the week for the annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. Many bikers from our area are there too and worried about what they're going to bring back to Wisconsin. Fox 6's Brett Lemoyne is live tonight at the Harley-Davidson Museum with how the pandemic is impacting the event. So many people look forward to this and make that trip out there this time of year, Brett.
Yeah, a lot of people, Mary. In fact, in past years, they've attracted more than 500,000 people, but there are concerns this year that it could be a breeding ground for coronavirus, and it is worrying some from Wisconsin who made the trek.
It's one of the largest in the country and celebrating its 80th year. The city of Sturgis, South Dakota Motorcycle Rally is drawing an estimated crowd of 250,000 people from coast to coast.
It's just one big happy family.
Sharon Hollywood Newhofer made the trek from Pewaukee on Friday. It's her 7th time visiting the event, taking in the sights. Her only concern this go around, she hopes to leave the 10-day rally in good health.
There are some vendors that backed out because they were worried about the COVID.
It's likely the biggest event in the country since the pandemic began, but not everyone was happy about it. When the city's roughly 7,000 residents were surveyed earlier this year, 60% voted to put the brakes on the rally. The city council approved it anyway.
Is it irresponsible? I don't know if it's that irresponsible. If everybody practices safe distancing and enjoys themselves. Most of the activities here are outdoors.
Tony Sanfilippo is from McWanago and thought long and hard before going.
I mean, you can't live your life hiding, but you don't want to take unnecessary risks either.
Meanwhile, Harley-Davidson is promoting its Let's Ride challenge to encourage socially distant riding and still lists its big rally weekend, September 3rd through the 6th, on its website. Back at Sturgis, social distance and masks are encouraged, but not required.
There's not a lot of masks being worn out here.
Hollywood Newhofer says she will be tested for COVID-19 as soon as she gets home, but it's not stopping her from the ride of her life.
When it's your time to go, it's your time to go.
Now, during this annual rally, Sturgis becomes the largest city in South Dakota. And if you look at numbers released by the CDC over the last 7 days, per 100,000 people, both South Dakota and Wisconsin have gained 1,000 new coronavirus cases, and both have seen 17 deaths. Again, per 100,000 people. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Brett Lemoyne, Fox 6 News.
All right, Brett, thank you.